Hi, I'm Dr. Janvi Mehta. I'm a phaco and refractive surgeon at Mehta Eye Clinic, Ghatkopar. So there are a lot of myths about cataract surgery because there's been a lot of technological evolvement in the process of cataract surgery. Starting with the first, should we wait till the cataract gets matured? That's untrue. We can remove the cataract at any point of maturity. Previously, we required the cataract to be matured. Now, if the patient has any visual disturbances and is unable to do their day-to-day activity because of their visual disturbances, we go ahead with the cataract surgery. So cataract surgery is not essentially a painful process. In fact, we give topical anesthesia, which means in the form of drops, to anesthetize the eye. There is no pain sensation during the procedure, and because the incisions, that is the openings through which we go and operate on the cataract, are very small, up to 2.2 mm, we do not require any stitches, which make the recovery faster and painless. Cataract surgery has one of the highest success rates amongst all the surgeries. It has around 98% success rate. So if it is a normal cataract and you go to an experienced surgeon, it should be a very smooth process. A routine cataract surgery post-op takes around 3 to 4 days to recover, but the medications go on for around a month. The precautions taken are taken only for around 3 to 4 days, after which the patient can get back to his own life. A routine cataract surgery does not weaken the retina, but in cases like in eyes which are abnormally long, which is high myopia, or has diabetic retinopathy or age-related macular edema, which means there are pre-existing retinal pathologies, the cataract may or may not attribute to the retinal damage, or it could be re-existing. So a common myth is that cataract surgery can only be done during winters. That is not true. It can be done in any season, provided you take essential precautions that are recommended by your eye doctor. Cataract cannot be cured by medicine. There might be studies going on, but there is no FDA-approved medicine that can cure cataract. Cataract can only be removed surgically and replaced with an intraocular lens. So cataract is an age-related disorder where the clear part of your lens becomes cloudy. When I say age-related, means that it can happen to anyone, even with someone who has a healthy lifestyle. In people who have diabetes, hypertension, or any other lifestyle diseases, this can occur a little earlier too. But that does not mean that a healthy person will not get cataracts. So if you're planning to get a cataract surgery done, don't follow these myths, talk to your ophthalmologist. It's a great experience for people who have low vision and suddenly are able to see everything, become more independent. It is definitely a life-altering surgery.